How to transfer your videos to PhotoBucket on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to transfer your videos to PhotoBucket on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and then click these three lines in the top corner and then click settings and privacy and now settings, and here just go down and click this one, download your transfer a copy of your information, and then click next, this one next. And now click photo bucket and go to photos, click none, and then go to videos, and that's it on all your videos, and click next. And now just connect your Facebook with PhotoBucket, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.